Melvin Shogun versus Jiro Mabilaki. Board 5, Melvin Shogun versus Jiro Mabilaki. Board 5.
Diyan may boundary point kayo dyan.
Si Kapuyan versus Chan Bulayo, board 8, top 16.
May I ask everyone para ho, kasi nakita natin yung nangyari sa noong December na Alexis at Paulo na umuusad na tayo, nakapas na tayo sa second round, third round na tayo, hopefully, mabutan natin yung tuwin doon sa round. Kasama sa tagumpay, natalunin ko ang something na lungkot na hindi nakapaglaro si Sanlo. Pero para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, okay na po siya, nasa patawag na po siya, nagre-recover hopefully, makalaro po ulit in the next 6 months or 1 year. No, hindi mo naman kadali. Ang kwento nga po nila, nandun na siya sa practice board sa likod. Nalaglag yung cards, pagbuha ko niya, kasama siya ng card pin. Hindi na po siya nakatayo. Kaya akala mo na, mabuti na lang mo, hindi mo tayo pinabayaan ng PBC. No, kahit pa paano, halos isang buwan po siya sa ospital. Pero hindi siya pinabayaan ng ating mga kartero doon sa London. Hindi siya pinabayaan, hikalit siya ni Ian at saka ni June hanggang po sa pre-departure area. Ganun po ang alaga ang mga kartero natin sa labas, sa London, sa Bali, at saka sa Dubai. Ganyan ho ang ating pangkita na dapat itayo in the next years to come. Kaya ang mga kabataan natin, magkakaroon po.
Thank you, Sir Ben. Please remain on stage as we proceed with today's Pangalan. For today's Araw ng Parangal, grade 1 Regional Master, 4 National Masters, our Chris Sports Starter of the Year, and Lady Chris Sports Starter of the Year. As tradition dictates, may we call on our NTFP National Masters to formally welcome our new musicians to the exclusive group of Guard Champions. Please come on stage as I call your name. Lawrence Ilagan, Noel Nalitan, TJ Tongopano, Gilbert Ulan, Boy Parfan, Bob Lodiana, Boy Bjornson, Lord Yapon, Alexis Toyo, JP Nataglan, John Ray Saho, Ray Rivera, and Jay Doria.
Ba't lagi ka?
The title of NTFP Regional Master is a distinction given to darters who have won 3 open singles championship titles in the 53,000 Araw ng Manalo Regional Tournament in April 2019, the 100,000 Plazas Incorporated Regional Tournament in July 2024, and the 100K Kapitan Arlen Legazpi Cup in November 2024. Sambayanang Cartero, please welcome our NDFP Regional Master, John Mark Procero of Cagayan de Oro.
Kaya dapat na ano ko doon. May bay dapat.
National Darts Federation of the Philippines, Pageant Achievement, hereby awarded to John Mark Procero for winning 3 sanctioned open singles regional tournament championships of the National Darts Federation of the Philippines, thereby attaining the title of a regional master, given this first day of February 2025.
Pero please give a round of applause to our Chris Sports Lady Darter of the Year 2024, Giselle Bulacao of the Paris Creative Builders.
Tara na siya ang likod yata. Di ba na? Tagal mo na? Gani. Oy!
National Darts Federation of the Philippines presents the title of Chris Sports Lady Darter of the Year 2024 to Giselle Bulacao, given this first day of February 2025 at the Marikina Hotel and Convention Center, Marikina City. Signed, Florencio Peppermel, President of the National Darts Federation of the Philippines. And our Chris Sports Darter of the Year awardee gathered a total of 770 NTFP ranking points from January to December 2024. He competed in 15 open singles events and brought home 4 championship titles, 3 second place titles, 3 top 4 placements, 3 top 8 placements, and 2 top 16 placements. Sambayanang Cartero, please give a round of applause to our Chris Sports Darter of the Year 2024, Kristen de los Reyes of Picatan. National Darts Federation of the Philippines presents the title of Darter of the Year 2024 to Kristen de los Reyes, given this first day of February 2025 at the Marikina Hotel